Ya Allah, for everyone searching for a job right now, everyone silently crying at night, wondering when their doors will open, Ya Allah, ease their burden. You are Al-Razzaq, the provider. You see their struggle even when no one else does. You are Ar-Razzaq, the one who provides. Replace their anxiety with peace. Replace their waiting with good news. They've sent applications. They've faced rejections. They've been patient even when their heart was breaking. So, Ya Allah, don't let them give up. Open a door they didn't even knock on. Give them a job that brings not just income but peace, purpose and dignity. Replace every no with a better yes. And when you do, let them say, only Allah could have done this for me. Give them a job that brings not just income but peace, purpose and dignity.